Hello lovely student, welcome to Silence Classes e-learning platform. Let's continue the chapter Lines and Angles, class 7th. Chapter number 11.4 we are doing introduction part, and all the exercises we have already done of this particular chapter. If you haven't watched it, go and watch my video. Let's continue with the exercise 11.4 question number 5, okay, out of ICSE. So what the question is saying, find the value of x in A to C, means in the A part, B part and in the C part we have to find out the value of x, and both x and y in B to H, means in the remaining we have to find out the value of x and y. Okay, in this it is given that P is parallel to Q, means lines are parallel, and C is parallel to D. Okay, it is already given over there in the question. Okay, so let's draw the question. Let's do the A part of this question and find out the value of A. So the diagram is like this. There are two parallel lines, and this one is transversal, and this is P, and this one is Q, and this is a transversal, that is T. It is given this one is 115 degree and this one is x. We have to find out the value of x in the question number A. Okay, so what we have to do, I've told you in the introduction part of this that these angles are known as co-interior angles because they are interior and they are on the same side of the transversal. That's why it is known as co-interior angles, and the sum of co-interior angle is 180 degree. This means angle x plus 115 is equals to 180 degree, okay, by co-interior angles, angle x is equals to 180 degree minus 115. Okay, so angle x is equals to 180 minus 155, and 7 minus 1 is 665 degrees. So we got the value of x is equals to 65 degree. Okay, so in this x is 65 degree. Now let's do the question number B of this question. Same diagram is drawn. Just a second. The transversal is like this. This angle is 98 degree and we have to find out this particular angle. So there is nothing like that, so we can find out easily, or we can directly find out, because one is exterior angle and one is the interior angle. Okay, and they are on the different side, they are not on the same side of the transversal. If they are on the same side of the transversal, they are corresponding angle, but they are not making a corresponding angle. So if we find out the value of this, as you know, P is a line. This means this angle and this angle, if we add together, it will become 180 degree. So if we write it down, that this angle is x. Okay, this angle is x. Okay, this angle is A. Okay, because it is given that this angle is x, so we will not take x, we can take A. Okay, we can take A. So we know that angle A plus angle of 98 degree is equals to 180 degree. So we can do it by linear pair of angle, by linear pair of angles, we can find it out. Angle A plus 98 is equals to 180 degree. Angle A is equals to 180 minus 98. So we got 2, 17 minus 9. Okay, we've got 8. Okay, 82 degree. We got that angle A is equals to 82 degree. Angle A is equals to 82 degree. Now we know angle A and angle X are equal. Angle A is equals to angle X by corresponding angle. Very good. Corresponding angles. They both are corresponding angles. That's why we can say angle A and angle X is 82 degree. Okay, so we got the value of angle X, that is 82 degree. That is 82 degree. I hope you guys understood how we have find it out this. You can also do it by this transversal is a straight line, so we can consider this one. If we find out this one, this will become 82. Okay, and by alternate interior angle we can find it out. Okay, these are the two methods by which we can find it out. Or if there is another one, we can take this angle and this angle should be equal by same corresponding angle, and by putting the linear pair of angle we can find out the value of this also. Okay, so there are many methods to do this. Okay, you can put different approaches to solve this particular question. Okay, in the manner I have done. Okay, you can check it out, and if you want you can put the another method of yours also, but angle, by using the angle property only. Okay, so now we have to find it out. Angle C, there are these two lines, this one is P and this one is Q, and this is a transversal, that is T. This one is 5x and this one is 7x. Very interesting question. Very interesting question. So we know that these two are co-interior angles. And you know co-interior angles, sum of co-interior angle is equals to 180 degree. This means 5x plus 7x is equals to 180 degree. Okay, so we will do it. We will solve 5x plus 7x is equals to 180. Okay, by, it is written co-interior angles. So 7 plus 5 is 12x is equals to 180 degree. 180 degree. So x is equals to 180 divided by 12. 180 divided by 12. So we can 2 6 are, 2 9 are, 2 3 are 45, 3 1 are and 3 5 are. So x is equals to 15. We got the value of x. Now once we got the value of x, we can easily find it out these two angles by putting the value of x in this. Okay, so 5x is equals to 5 multiplied by 15 is equals to 5 5s are 25, 5 1 are 5, 6 75, means this angle is of 75 degree, and 7x is equals to 7 multiplied by 15, 7 5s are 35, 7 1 is 7, 8 9 10, that is 105 degree. So we got the value of 7x also, that is 105 degree. So we got the value of both 5x and 7x. Okay, I hope you guys understood. It's very easy and very simple. Okay, now let's do the next question. In this, we have to find out the value of x and y both. Okay, so let's draw the diagram. We will draw the diagram like this. Just a second. Like this. Transversal are like this and this. Otherwise, you will get confused. Q and P. This one is 65 degree. This one is X. And this one is Y. Okay. The question is very easy. Both are parallel lines. All these are parallel lines. So by this, we can say angle 65 and this angle X are corresponding angle. Very good. So corresponding angles are equal. So angle X is equals to 65, just a second, 65 degree by corresponding angles. Okay, and by the same corresponding angles we can see that angle X and angle Y are also corresponding angles. So we can say Y is equals to 65 degree by corresponding angle. So we got the value of X and Y in one go. Okay, if you know all the properties, the questions are very easy. The questions are very easy. Now we will do the next question. The question is like this. P and Q, this one is P, this one is Q, and this one, and this one is X. Remember, this one is Y, and this one is 85 degree. 85 degree. Okay, and this one is T. Okay, so we got the value of X by corresponding angle. By corresponding angle because they are on the same side of the transversal. One is exterior and another one is exterior. So X is equals to 85 degree by corresponding angle. Corresponding angles. Now we know that this P is a line. P is a line. So this one, this angle plus this angle is 180 degree. By the linear pair of angle, we can find it out the value of this. So 85 plus Y is equals to 180 degree by linear pair of angles. So Y is equals to 180 minus 85 because we will send it to the right hand side. So Y is equals to 5 and it will become 17. Okay, and 17 minus 8 is 17 minus 8, 2 and 7, that is 95 degree. So we got the value of 5. Y is equals to 95 degree. We got the Y of 95 degree and X is equals to 85 degree. We got both the values. Okay, so it is very easy. By using the linear pair of angle and by using the corresponding angle, we have done it. Same F. F is very easy. F is very easy. Once I draw the diagram, you can do it in one go. Let's see. This one is the diagram. Y is this. This is 110 degree, and this one is X. Okay, this one is P, and this one is Q, and this is T. Y is equals to 110 degree by vertically opposite angle, by vertically opposite angle, opposite angles. Y is equals to 110 degree, and once we got the y, we got the value of x. Yes, by corresponding angle, x is equals to 110 degree by corresponding angles. Okay, so it is very easy. It is very easy. Now let's do the next question, that is Z. Questions are very easy. Just you guys have to remember what are the properties. You guys have to remember all the properties: linear pair of angles, corresponding angles, and their properties, that corresponding angles are equal, alternate interior angles are equal, co-interior angles, sum of the co-interior angle is 180 degree. You guys have to remember all this. You will do the questions very easily. Okay, if you haven't watched the introduction part, go and first of all watch the introduction part. You will understand each and everything in one go. Okay, let's draw. uh, these are the lines. This one is P, this one is Q, and this is T, and this one and this one is X and Y, and we know this angle is 72 degree. 72 degree. Now there are different types of approaches we can put to solve this question. First of all, we can find it out by this: y is equals to 72 degree, y is equals to 72 degree by alternate interior angle. By alternate interior angle, it is very clear. Now to find out the value of x, we can put two approaches. We can do co-interior angle. By using the co-interior angle, we can say the sum of co-interior angle is equals to 180 degree, and we can put the value of y is 72, and we can do it by the linear pair of angle, because y and x are pair. So by these two we got the value of p, and line p, that is 180 degree. Okay, so by the linear pair of angle we can also find it out the value, or by the co-interior angle. So let's do by the co-interior angle. By using the co-interior angles, angle x plus 72 degree is equals to 180 degree by co-interior angles. Okay, so we have to find out the value of x. We will send 72 to the right hand side, plus will become minus 180 minus 72, so it will become 8, and it will become 0 and 2. So angle x is equals to 108 degree. So we got the value of x, that is 108 degree. I hope you guys understood. We got the value of x and y. Okay, now the last question of this question, last part of this question, that is h. And be careful, it is little bit complicated. Let's draw a diagram like this. Very easy if you will understand in one go. So it will be very easy. Otherwise you can go and watch my video again. Okay, and if you feel like the video is slow, you can fast forward it to 1.5 and 2x. Okay, so PQ, this one is P, this one is Q, this one is 78 degree, this one is Y, this one is M, this one is X, this one is 89 degree, and this one is N. So we have to find out the value of X and Y. Finding the value of X is very easy. By corresponding angle, because they are on the same side of the transversal. One is exterior and other one is interior. So X is equals to 89 degree by corresponding angles. Okay, now we have to find out the value of X. So in this also, for finding out the value of X, we are having many approaches. If we find out the value of this, so this one and this one by corresponding angle can be equal. If we will find out the value of this by this and this, by using the same corresponding angle, we got the value of this. So let's do it by using this one. Let's say this is a 180 degree line. By using the linear pair of angle, we will find it out. So let put it A. Okay, let take it A. So angle A plus 78 is equals to 180 degree by linear pair of angles. So angle A is equals to 180 minus 78 is equals to 2, 1 and 1. So angle A is equals to 112 degree. So once we got the value of A, 112 degree, we got the value of Y by corresponding angle. So angle Y is equals to 112 degree by same corresponding angle by corresponding angles. Okay, I hope you guys understood. Okay, next question number 6, and the other parts we will do in the next video. Okay, please like and share my video if you like it, and share with your friends. Have a wonderful day ahead, guys. Bye bye, take care.